This is KHON2 serving the Honolulu area, and here are some breaking news. The North American Aerospace Defense Command have detected a large wave of Chinese fighter jets around the skyline. This is not 100% sure if they are hostile. More information will become available as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. The North American Aerospace Defense Command have detected a large wave of Chinese fighter jets. These fighter jets are extremely dangerous. They were last seen at Daniel K. International Airport. We have reported that they are now hostile to us. The National Guard and the Hickam Air Force Base have sent to deal with this situation. All residents in Honolulu are advised to shelter in place. To shelter in place. Get inside. Close and lock all windows and doors. Barricade them as the best you can. Grab non-essential supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Tune into KDNN 98.5 for more updates on this dangerous situation.
We just got word from the National Guard saying that those Chinese soldiers are attacking Honolulu. If you're living in Honolulu, please seek shelter now. If you don't live in Honolulu, evacuate immediately. We are going off the air due to this event. Please stay tuned into KDNN for more updates on this dangerous situation. As for now, seek shelter or evacuate immediately. Thank you for tuning in, and we will be back soon. Stay strong and good luck, everyone.
Alright, man, we're gonna stop these Chinese soldiers once and for all.
And how can we do that?
Look, these soldiers are not friendly and they're very dangerous, and we can't distract them.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
Sir, if those are Chinese soldiers attacking our base, how will we be able to stop these soldiers from attacking our base? Sir? Are you okay?
Guys?
Yeah?
What now?
Take cover!
Oh shoot!
Get down!
Oh my god, those Chinese soldiers just bombed us.
I know, right? They just did that.
Guys, we have to prepare for battle, now.
On it.
Alright, let's go!
We just got a word from the National Guard saying that a nuclear bomb just exploded in Pearl Harbor. No deaths or injuries have occurred right now, but everyone hearing this message, if you're still alive, please stay in your fallout shelter until the battle is over. The battle in Pearl Harbor will end within the next 10 hours. Please stay in your shelters until the all clear has been given. We will stay strong and never give up. Thank you.
Good job, man! We finally defeated the Chinese soldiers!
Let's go!
That was the message from the President of the United States. We will now.
My fellow Americans, we have officially won the battle against the Chinese soldiers. However, there is massive damage across Hawaii right now. However, this will take decades or years to rebuild the entire city. But Hawaii will never give up. In one nation under God, according to the National Guard, the total of deaths are 2 1,403 and injuries are 1,143. Me and my men are sent to battle with the Chinese soldiers, but we actually won the battle. Before I end this message, I would like to tell you something. America will never fail, and we will never give up. And that's all for now. This ends my message. God bless us all, and God bless the United States of America.
That was the message from the President of the United States. We will now return to your regular programming. This concludes our operations under the emergency alert system. We will now return to your regular programming.
Nothing left, so hold on tight as the hurricane breaks defense. Stay hidden from the causes that might let go of your hands. Take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. What's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time. So take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. And what's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time. Take me away. Take a minute to glance down the street where no hope surrounds you. An empty soul